Welcome to day 3 in Minneapolis, and I have to I need to figure out how to work these microphones, these Rode wireless microphones. Peace. Paisley Park. I just came to see it, guys, because I didn't get to come with the whole like children, and we got to come separately and all of that type of deal. So Paisley Park. It's a very white, sterile looking building on the outside. Mall of America. There's an aquarium in here. We're looking at sea life. A pizza place. We came through at a different entrance today. Got the New York Pizza, Delio Brothers Pizza. They got New York slices. Come on. And they got a little like video game first.
I foul.
Oh no. All right.
It's all done, buddy. We finally found a souvenir store. Is jams a thing of Minnesota? Do I need like rhubarb jam? I might. And then wild
Mama,
choke cherry.
talk to me.
What you find?
I found a key. I found me.
What you find?
I found help one.
If I have fun, we're gonna have so much fun. Don't you worry about it, buddy. Yeah. Mama just needs to find some souvenirs. There's Toys R Us again, guys. And a moving dinosaur. So my boy is over. I'm sure I'm gonna buy a dinosaur.
Wow. Mama,
Yes.
they got Portillo.
Oh, and a Godzilla. Now we're in Toys R Us buying Legos again. Oh my god. Oh, Godzilla King Kong. Yes. Crayola World. Hey, you gonna take a picture with the crayons? Come on, bud. Look at Mama. Ooh, it's dark. I need the flash. Look, Lacey. Mama is here. You wanna do this one? Look at Mom. Hey, stand here. All right. There's a Margaritaville, Crayola World, Rainforest Cafe, South Street Dining, which is bubble gum shrimp and a lot of other stuff. Let's see what all is on South Street Dining. Animals, yeah, a wild place to shop and eat. There's all of this is down here.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? We ended up just coming to Buffalo Wild Wings. A lot of this stuff in this mall is like super overpriced, and it's tiring. And we as people that's in our 40s. I'm 42 and my husband 47, and we're gonna blink, and in March we're gonna be 43 and 48. So and besides the things that is making our son happy and that he's enjoying or whatever, we're doing that. So we're gonna go back and let him ride out some of his time in Nickelodeon universe, and then he doesn't know that we're gonna go see Moana 2. So yeah, like, we're having a good time, but I was overwhelmed with food choices, and some of this stuff, like the little Margaritaville and the Rainforest Cafe and all of that, was like super duper crazily overpriced. Like, why is a salad $23? Like, child, please. Could I pay $23? Yes, but like, the Louisiana girl in me is like, y'all must be crazy for something that's like tourist food. If I'm paying for that, like, I want it to be something good, authentic, homemade, cultural, like something I'm about to have some kind of immersive experience, but not for some like Margaritaville, Rainforest Cafe. It wasn't nothing even on that menu that like blew my mind. So, child, the wings was buy one get one half off at Buffalo Wild Wings. So that's what we're doing. Call y'all back. And he's taking me back to Nickelodeon Zone. Langston, what you got? An airplane?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go down. Oh my gosh. Look at this big old Christmas tree. Wow.
Found it.
We did find it.
Yeah, he found it. Happened.
Giant Christmas trees.
Mama, did you Mona?
Yeah, you see it? Come on up. Langston. And we are about to surprise our boy with the movies. You ready for a surprise?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, come on.
He found the Mona.
Is it Moana? It is Moana.
I don't know it.
What's up, guys? My boy was very happy about Moana 2. He enjoyed it. I enjoyed it too. Love me some Moana. I've watched it a million times since I've had him. So yeah, definitely enjoyed Moana. Glad that we were able to catch it today. What else?
I love the Mona.
Yeah. It was too awesome. All right. What's up, guys? We are back in the room. Anyway, I have propped up the Timbs. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? I'm about to get comfortable, get my relax on, get my life together, put myself together tomorrow, because tomorrow is a new day. We're going to a new city tomorrow, and you guys will get to roll with us and come with us. So we had a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. We have enjoyed Minneapolis, Minnesota, Bloomington, the whole little area. My son had a absolute blast. We had a great time. I enjoyed Minnesota. I would definitely say my highlight was going to George Floyd Square. I liked the Minnehaha Park, seeing the waterfall. One second.
Okay.
Thank you. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, I'm having a great time. I enjoyed the trip so far. I'm just tired, so I'm gonna go ahead on and close out the vlog, guys. So your girl is clocking out. Where we going next? If you are still locked in, then you will know before anybody else knows, because you know the smallest percentage of people make it to the very end of the vlog. We are headed to Chicago. You guys will get Thanksgiving Day in Chicago. So tomorrow is actually Wednesday, so you guys will get Thanksgiving Day in Chicago, the second largest Thanksgiving Day parade, I think. I'm pretty sure if I check my facts right, in America. We will have Thanksgiving dinner in Chicago. We will see a little bit of the city, and I'll catch y'all in the Windy City. I'm clocking out, baby. Your girl tired. Peace. What's up, guys? So we are headed to go and pick up our clothes from the cleaners, and then we're gonna try and see if we can find some souvenirs somewhere, and then we are out of here. It's been great. I did enjoy Minneapolis. I would visit again. I'm still got some things on the list that I'd like to see and do. However, it is time. Today is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, so it is time to get to Chicago. Thanksgiving in Chicago. So rock with us. We're going to be traveling to Chicago today. We're leaving Minnesota. We'll go through Wisconsin, and we will end up in Chicago, Illinois, baby. All right. I'm going to check back in with y'all later. Child, we supposed to be leaving Minnesota. We done ran errands, got our clothes, and why we getting Giordano's before we ever get to Chicago? Boom, Caesar salad, house salad. We about to get into it, guys. Yeah. Go, Langston. What you got? Pizza?
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks good.
Pizza.
And Mama got her little Long Island, my little deep dish sausage and pepperoni. And this is a wild combination: banana peppers, olives, and pepperoni.
What's wrong with this?
I don't know.
That's for the moment.
Made it to Illinois. Made it to Chicago, guys. I'm so downside. Hey. We here, made it to Chicago. Downtown in the Chi, at the big Crown Plaza Hotel. Skyline here. And we made it. Man, y'all, we got some portillos. It is 12:18 in the morning. It took, I don't know, this was supposed to get here at what, 10 something? Oh, it's not even 12:10. Okay, it's 11:50. Still, this was ice cold. Dude wasn't answering. Donnell, whoever you are, was not answering my calls or texts. Food finally came. I guess I'll complain about it tomorrow. I don't know, y'all. Peace. Good night. I want y'all to stop. Do me a favor. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all know what's up.